This is the 30C 3S 1350 milliamp lithium polymer battery from Radiant. This is called the Super Packs. It's part of their Super Packs brand. I've just reviewed the 4S and there's going to be no difference other than the size of the battery and the weight. This is a fantastic lithium polymer. It works absolutely brilliantly. It's 35 wide by 21 deep, and I feel like it's going to be the same length as the 4S. I think the 4S was 75, so it is a little bit shorter. If you're looking for a nice little stumpy pack to run in your rock crawlers, then I really recommend these. Let's just throw it on the scales quickly. The scales are zeroed. Let's throw it on here quickly. It is, albeit 110 grams. I know it says 109, there we're getting 108. Oh, okay, right, so it's just under 110 grams. I'm going to say exactly the same thing that I said when I reviewed the 4S. If you're interested in buying these, it gets a thumbs up from the RC family. They're good little packs. I've used the crap out of this, and it really has never let me down. There'll be links to everything that I've reviewed with regards to batteries and chargers recently. They will all be in the description below this video, along with another load of links of stuff that I have thoroughly tested and that I approve of. That's it for this one. Remember, guys, no matter the question, love is always the answer. Bye for now.